Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss the concept of different characteristics of multiprocessor system. A multiprocessor system contains a multiple number of processors, that is either CPU or input-output processes, a shared memory and input-output units. All are controlled by a single operating system. And this multiprocessor is classified as multiple instruction and multiple data stream. That is, each processor execute multiple instructions and each processor executes on different data. And the main characteristics is it improves reliability of the system. That means in a multiprocessor system, if one processor fail, it does not affect the other processor. Simply, the task of the disabled process is given to another processor to perform the task. Maybe it reduces the efficiency, but without delay, the task is shifted to remaining processor. That is the main advantage of multiprocessor reliability. And one more thing is it improves the performance. So the performance of the system is improved by using parallelism. That is how simply multiprocessor, each processor perform multiple programs independently, or one program is divided into multiple tasks. Each task is performed by one processor concurrently. In any of the approach, we are achieving the parallelism. Through parallelism, multitask is performed simultaneously. Obviously, the performance of the system is also increased. Now, in a multiprocessor system, the multiprocessor system is organized based on the memory that we are using. There are two types. One is shared memory and the second one is distributed memory. So in the shared memory also it is used in tightly coupled system. That is, we have a global shared memory is available. All the processors use that shared memory. Obviously, the communication is fast. Why? The processors are communicated by using the shared memory. Anyway, internally, each processor have own cache memory, but they have a global shared memory. For fast communication, we are using this approach. This is available in a tightly coupled system. Coming to distributed memory, here there is no concept of global memory. Each processor have a private own copy of the memory. The processors are communicated by using message passing. The messages are transferred in the form of a package. Generally, a packet contains the destination address, the data content that we are going to transfer, and error detection code. And this is used in loosely coupled system. These are the main characteristics of a multiprocessor system. Thank you.